Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world. Cuba is racing to get more people vaccinated against coronavirus as cases surge. Health officials say one of their homegrown vaccines is highly affected. But the shots can't come soon enough. More than 2,000 new cases were reported on Wednesday, breaking another daily record of new infections. The virus is one factor in the uptick of migrants attempting the sea crossing from Cuba to the United States. It's a dangerous journey that has cost an unknown number of lives. The US Coast Guard cutter enters Cuban waters carrying migrants stopped at sea while trying to reach the United States. Under an agreement between the two countries, the Cubans are sent back to the island after being picked up by the US. Leaving the island usually on barely seaworthy rafts or smuggled out in speedboats by human traffickers. While in recent years, the number of Cubans making the illegal journey by boat had dwindled, now as the communist-run island is hit by the twin impacts of the pandemic and increased US economic sanctions, hundreds of Cubans are again attempting the dangerous sea crossing. Cuban officials who gave a rare access to migrant preparation say they are concerned by the spike in activity. It can take days to make the 90-mile journey across the Florida states and only seconds for a trip to turn deadly. Neither the US nor Cuba can say how many people have died in 2021 attempting the crossing. Despite the risk, many Cubans are increasingly desperate to leave the island. Some sell all their possessions to pay for the trip. After the US Embassy in Havana shut down visa services nearly 4 years ago, following mysterious health incidents, more than 100,000 Cubans had been unable to obtain visa granted to them to visit or immigrate to the United States. While the number of Cubans living by boat are far less than during the rafters crisis of the 1990s and Mariel boat lift of the 1980s, so far Biden advisors have said Cuba is not a priority for the administration. But as the pandemic and Trump era sanctions continue to cause havoc here, an increasing number of Cubans with nothing left to lose could create a crisis that becomes impossible to ignore. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.